we can show you a little bit about what we do.
This simulation challenges you through living the actual experience of developing a lean operating and management system. From a traditional operating environment focusing on improving how the work is done, developing the capability, developing a pull system, one product at a time. This is a real-time, real feedback, hands-on experience. You'll be part of a collective group of learners where each of you will live your own learning, giving each of you a greater opportunity to see yourself inside of this process, help you better understand and apply lean thinking in practice. Our goal is to deliver an even greater value for you and the community by helping you become more knowledgeable sooner, enabling you to head back to work and able to apply the learning immediately. We're getting out in front of today and tomorrow's companies and what they're doing to provide value for their customers and employees in
Products get
delivering
made.
results.
You guys have some experience in learning how to make them in your shop. You also have to develop the products in front. Somebody has to design a car before it gets produced, right?
This simulation transcends both industry and levels of experience. We're looking forward to having you learn along with us.